I prefer living in the city. The city is very exciting and convenient. There are many tall buildings and big shopping malls. In the city, you can go shopping.
And watch movies easily.
The city is sometimes noisy, but it's full of life. I like the city more because there are always many things to do. It makes me feel excited. And active when I live there. Hello, everyone. I prefer living in the countryside. In the countryside, it's very peaceful and quiet. There are many green trees and rice fields.
The air is always fresh. I can relax and hear the birds singing.
But in the city, it's usually busy and noisy. So I like the countryside more because it's calmer and closer to nature.